Good afternoon and welcome to our Financial Advisor Forum. I'm Greg Greenberg from TheStreet, and John Thompson is my guest today. He runs the Vilas Fund, which is a long-short hedge fund he started 3 years ago. He's been beating the market ever since. He's here to give us his top long and short picks. Welcome, John.
Well, thank you for having me.
All right, let's start off with Citigroup. This is a long pick. It seems like Michael Corbett has this company moving in the right direction.
Absolutely, yeah. We've owned it a few years. He's cutting expenses and rationalizing the business. It's trading at a very low price to book multiple, which is what we look for at the fund. We're long value, short, very expensive growth, and Citibank hits the bill.
You're also long Morgan Stanley. Now they're on a tear this year, up 54% year to date. They've transitioned their business from bond trading and heavy trading like Goldman Sachs more to a wealth management company. They've a whole lot of brokers over there with Dean Witter, Morgan Stanley, Smith Barney. How much longer do you stick with it though, because it really is on a tear?
Well, in the old days, they used to say buy brokers at book value and sell them at twice book. Well, we paid half a book, and just because it's gone up a lot to book value, we think there's still a lot more room to go. We think it'll be trading in the 2 times book range in 3 to 5 years. We love the brokerage business. The retail brokers have a wonderful business, and we think as the equity market keeps going up, client assets will shift from fixed income and bonds and money markets into more higher fee producing things like equities.
And you have to deal less with things like the Volcker rule, right?
Right. Yeah. There's very low capital that's required in the brokerage business, retail brokerage business, and it's not a trading business like the old Goldman Sachs big trading floor.
All right. Now let's talk about some of your shorts. Amazon. Now, this stock has done very well. They didn't really have earnings in their last announcement, but people trust Jeff Bezos. Doesn't sound like you do.
I don't. I mean, the company hasn't made much money since it was founded 16 years ago, at roughly $2 billion since it was formed. And we think with the amount of money that the market cap of the company is so large that they're going to have a really hard time earning into that. We think they haven't shown the market that they can earn money, and that's, in our opinion, key. It's a very expensive distribution model to deliver things door to door, and we're seeing why, the pain of that.
It's an expensive stock too. It trades around 130 times next year's earnings. Do you short on valuation? Does that play into your thinking?
Absolutely. That's our main metric. Is we're long value, short very expensive growth. And we short on very high price to book multiples and price to earnings, and Amazon is both. They haven't earned that money yet, by the way. I mean, every year they always say next year we're going to earn a lot of money, and they never seem to. All
right, well, supposedly they're spending it on R&D. Let's move on to Tesla. Now, this is certainly a pricey company. It's come down in terms of its stock price over the past 3 days from $175. Now it trades around $135. They've had some fires recently in their cars. This is scaring people. How much longer do you stick with Tesla? Because it's heavily shorted. You can get squeezed back up to 200 again.
I think Tesla has a major problem in that it's a really good idea to have electric cars, and I understand the green side of it. The problem is the battery is $30,000, and to get a car that'll go 250 miles, you have to build a very expensive car. And I don't see that price performance of the batteries improving much. And the stock's priced as if they're the next BMW, but I think they're going to be a very small player.
Certainly makes a very cool car, though. Thank you, John Thompson. And thank you for watching TheStreet's Financial Advisor Forum. I'm Greg Greenberg. Please come back.